the African savanna basked in golden sunlight. Ellie, a wise old elephant, grazed peacefully. Her gentle nature was known throughout the land. She was the keystone of her elephant herd. A devastating drought began to grip the savanna. The lush green turned to parched brown earth. Water sources dwindled and food became scarce. Ellie felt the weight of responsibility for her family. A new, fierce protectiveness arose within her. She started hoarding what little resources remained. Other animals approached, desperate for help. Ellie turned them away, her heart hardening. "I must protect my own," she muttered to herself. Her once kind eyes now reflected only survival. The other animals whispered about her change. "She's not the Ellie we knew," a zebra sighed. Fear and resentment grew in their hearts. A thirsty giraffe approached the watering hole. Ellie charged, trumpeting a warning. The giraffe backed away, defeated and scared. A group of wildebeest searched for grazing land. Ellie blocked their path, unyielding and stern. The wildebeest lowered their heads and moved on. Even her own herd felt her changed demeanor. Her daughter, Esme, looked at her with concern. "Mother, why are you so angry?" Esme asked. "I'm protecting you, Esme. It's a harsh world." Ellie pushed Esme closer to her side. The whispers of Ellie's lost kindness echoed. The dry winds carried them across the barren land. She saw a group of meerkats struggling. They were digging for roots, desperate for food. Ellie ignored their plight and walked on. Her shadow fell over them, a symbol of despair. A lone bird landed on a withered branch. It sang a mournful song of loss and regret. Ellie felt a pang of guilt, but quickly suppressed it. Survival is all that matters now, she thought. The sun beat down mercilessly on the savanna. The drought tightened its grip on the land. Ellie stood guard over her meager resources. Her heart grew heavier with each passing day. She saw her reflection in a dried-up puddle. A stranger stared back at her, cold and hard. Was this truly who she had become? The question lingered in the air, unanswered. The other animals avoided her, fear in their eyes. Ellie was alone, isolated by her own actions. Even the young cubs stayed away from her. She felt a deep sense of loneliness and regret. The savanna held its breath, waiting for relief. But Ellie's heart remained closed, for now. The drought raged on, testing her resolve. Would she ever find her way back to kindness? The answer lay hidden in the parched earth. And within the depths of her own heart, the sun sets on the desolate landscape. Ellie stands alone, a figure of sorrow. Her journey has just begun. The whispers of hope are faint but present. The drought broke, rains returned, healing the savannah slowly. But scars of Ellie's actions lingered. Trust was shattered. Ellie watched animals rebuild, a wave of remorse washing over her. She decided to embark on a journey of redemption. Ellie used her strength to clear debris from the watering hole. She guided a lost zebra foal back to its anxious mother. Ellie shared the revitalized land's abundance with everyone. She offered juicy mangoes to a family of baboons. A cautious giraffe tentatively accepted a branch from Ellie. A wary warthog family drank beside her at the river. Slowly, animals began to accept Ellie's sincere efforts. Her kindness, dimmed by hardship, flickered back to life. She helped a rhino calf stuck in the mud. Ellie used her trunk to lift the calf free. The rhino's mother nudged Ellie gratefully. Ellie remembered the joy of helping others. She found a group of monkeys struggling to reach fruit. Ellie gently shook the tree, showering them with food. The monkeys chattered happily, accepting her offering. An old lion, weakened by the drought, watched her. Ellie approached him cautiously, offering water. The lion hesitated, then drank deeply from her trunk. He looked at Ellie with newfound respect. Word of Ellie's kindness spread through the savannah. Animals began to approach her without fear. A young elephant calf reached out to touch her trunk. Ellie gently stroked the calf with her trunk. The calf's mother smiled, a sign of forgiveness. Ellie started teaching the younger elephants. She showed them how to find water and food. She taught them the importance of sharing. The young elephants listened attentively to her wisdom. Ellie felt her heart healing with each act of kindness. The savannah was slowly returning to its former glory. But now it was filled with a stronger sense of community. Animals helped each other, remembering Ellie's lesson. Ellie became a symbol of hope and redemption. Her name was whispered with respect and affection. She learned that true strength lies in compassion. Ellie realized that kindness is a never-ending journey. She continued to help others day after day. The savannah flourished under her gentle guidance. Even the whispers of the wind seemed kinder now. Ellie looked out at the savannah, a tear in her eye. She had come full circle, back to her true self. The animals gathered around her, a sign of unity. Ellie was no longer alone. She was loved and respected. Her heart was full of gratitude and peace. The sun set on the savannah, painting the sky orange. Ellie stood tall, a beacon of kindness for all. The stars twinkled above, witnessing her transformation. The savannah slept peacefully, knowing it was safe. Ellie's journey had just begun, a journey of love. She would continue to spread kindness wherever she went. For Ellie knew that kindness is the greatest gift of all, and that even in the darkest times, hope remains. Ellie's legacy lived on, inspiring generations to come. The savannah thrived, a testament to her gentle heart, and Ellie, the kind elephant, was finally at peace. Her kindness echoed through the savannah forevermore,